Hello, my name is Tae Chun Hong with the matrix number 106539.
Hi, my name is Liu Mei with matrix number 104781.
Hello, my name is Nabil Busrin bin Muhammad Nizam with the matrix number of 107214.
Hello, my name is Tolia Ana Abun and my matrix number is 107596.
Hello, my name is Siti Mahazar binti Ramli and my matrix number is 106370.
Hello, and a very good morning, good afternoon, or good evening to Dr. Farhan. So today, we will be presenting our slides with the title Primary Functions of Management for Apple Incorporated. So, these are the content that we will be further discussing inside this video presentation. So, as we know that management is very important for every company because it provides the structure, direction, and the oversight needed to ensure that the resources are used effectively and that the organizational goals are met. So, management can be divided into 4 primary functions, which are planning, organizing, leading, and controlling. So, in this presentation, we will be discussing about the functions that we have selected as the most important functions for Apple Incorporated.
Alright, and I will explain about background company of Apple. Apple is a technology company founded in 1976 by Steve Jobs, Steve Wozniak, and Ronald Wayne in Cupertino, California. It started by making personal computers like the Apple I and II. In 1980s, it introduced the Macintosh, which was notable for its graphical user interface. After struggling in the 1990s, Jobs returned in 1997 and transformed the company by expanding into consumer electronics. It led to the creation of iconic products like the iMac, iPhone, iPod, and iPad, which changed their market significantly. And today, Apple is known for its innovative design, quality product, and services like the App Store, iCloud, and Apple Music, making it one of the most valuable companies in the world.
So next, I would like to explain for the primary functions that we choose for Apple. So the primary functions that we have choose is organizing. Organizing for Apple, actually mostly they are focusing on structuring and coordinating resources, which their goal is of course to achieve their objectives of the company. So this is all of the points that I will explain about the organizing functions of Apple. Firstly is of course they have organizational structure, which is functional hierarchy structure. Their expertise are based on functions, which is like the designs, the marketing, the operations, software engineering, and so on. They also centralize strategic decision making, which align the operations with the company's vision. Next is collaboration approach. They have good and powerful teams across departments, including the hardware, software, and services that they give to the customer. They also ensures the product development and also the delivery of the products to the customer, which specialize the project-based teams for the product launching and also the major initiatives. Thirdly is resource allocation. Apple actually recruit a top-tier talent, which is assigned their workers or employees based on their expertise, and which ensure the efficiency and the accountability of the working progress in the company. They're also having investment in research and development and also marketing and infrastructures. Fourthly is technology and innovation. When we talk about Apple, of course, the first thing that comes up in your mind is technology. So they are having advanced technologies and state-of-the-art facilities for making of their products. They enhance the communications and project management of the company, which support the global operations. Last but not least is adaptability and success. When we talk about Apple, of course, every products of Apple have their own specialties and have their own success, which is their key features are actually adapt to market demands based on the customers. They're also having the scales productions efficiently for the most popular products. I think mostly are their smartphones. They're also plotting a lot of strategies for their innovations for their upcoming products, especially the new series of their smartphones or any gadgets from Apple. So for the outcomes, the leaderships in innovation, customer satisfaction, and profitability are reachable. And of course, objectives are reachable for Apple.
Planning for Apple Incorporated. Jonas and George 2016 stated that planning consists of choosing appropriate organization goals and courses of action to best achieve those goals. It outlines the strategies and tactics needed to achieve this goal. By defining specific objectives, planning creates a procedure for the organization, guiding its activities and ensuring that everyone is working toward the same outcomes. Apple Incorporated has a well-organized structure that divides its management into several departments, each with their own function and goals. Apple Incorporated has set the strategies to implement the company's success, where they focus on product design and functionality, strengthening Apple ecosystem, improving customer service experience, and reducing the business reliance on iPhone sales. Functional structure divide the organization into departments based on their function. This function headed by functional managers who is an expert in a role they supervise. For instance, the engineering team focus on the technical specifications and features of a new product, while the marketing team will develop effective strategies to promote it. Moving on to the next point, how organizing interact with leading for Apple company. Jonas and Josh define leading as a way to motivate, coordinate, and energize individuals and groups to work together to achieve organizational goals. Leadership is the ability of a leader to guide and influence employees to perform their tasks effectively in order to achieve set goals. A leader who has a great leadership skill will be able to motivate and inspire team members, encouraging them to work together towards shared objectives. Apple firmly believes that motivated and engaged employees are the driving force behind their achievement. In order to increase the employees' motivation, Apple executive team actively form the ownership of decision-making processes to ensure that all departments having the same values. The executive team that work together with the lower employee shows that the upper management are also being part of the making important decisions, demonstrating accountability and leadership to the middle and lower employee. Apple Incorporated also gives their employees the power and ownership over their project, which makes them to apply their leadership throughout the projects. For instance, Leader Development Program was formed to build the employee leadership skill and preparing them to transition into management positions. These programs are specialized in strategic decision making, team management, and fostering a culture of innovation. With controlling for Apple Company. Controlling is defined as establish accurate measuring and monitoring system to evaluate how well the organization has achieved its goal. Controlling is the process of monitoring performance by identifying the causes and corrective action to make sure that the organization goals could be achieved. Regulation play a big role in this process by providing a standard and benchmark that guides the organization's expectations. Apple Incorporated uses vertical integration to control its management procedure and operation, taking ownership of various stages of its production process. Throughout all the process that has been operated by the company, Apple Incorporated managed the manufacturing processes and retail operation to look after its quality control and compliance with the company's standard. By providing a well-organized structure for vertical integration for each department in Apple Incorporated, allows the company to have a better communication among teams, which led the company to monitor which activities or tasks that need to be taken care of.
Innovation is fundamental to Apple Company strategy, driving both product development and customer satisfaction. By placing innovation at the core of its product strategy, Apple consistently launches groundbreaking products that not only meet consumer needs but also set market trends. This focus on innovative features and designs enhance the user experience, fostering customer loyalty and repeat business, which are for achieving long-term financial goals. The company's focus on innovation allows it to swiftly adapt to rapid market trends and address users' pain points such as security and usability issues. These commitments not only create unique products that competitors struggle to replicate, but also ensures a continuous flow of new ideas through significant investment in research and development R&D. Innovation secures Apple competitive advantage and positions the company of future growth. In summary, innovation is critical of Apple Company. It underpins immediate success and future growth, enabling the company to navigate market complexities, meet consumers' needs, and maintain its leadership positions in the technology industry.